Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel tab, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my device. Once your content is visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold your power button. There we go. Power button and volume down, which I think is this one, right? Yep, that's volume down. So we're going to hold both of those keys at the same time. You have the sound along with the pop-up right here. It has a share and edit option, and after a moment this will just kind of disappear. There we go. Once it disappears, you can find it in your Photos application. Now typically it would be in the Photos tab, so from here you would navigate to Library and then Screenshots. And in here, as you can see, there is the screenshot that I have captured, but if you captured more than one, obviously they will all be visible right here. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.